Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Mac and making sure you have an image available. This saves back and forth. Once done, open the Apple menu and select System Settings, then go straight to Desktop and Lock Screen. You may need to click the padlock and enter your password to make changes. This ensures you have permission to modify the lock screen. Make sure you know whether you want a static image, dynamic wallpaper, or a photo album, because that choice affects the next steps. Now you pick the image source: photos, a folder, or a file you drag in. You see a live preview. Use the fit options to adjust cropping so important parts aren't cut off. If you choose a photos album or dynamic wallpaper, decide between a single image or a rotating slideshow and set timing. Make sure to apply the change specifically to the lock screen section. If the interface separates desktop from lock screen, that prevents. After adjusting, click Done or Apply and immediately test by locking the screen with Control-Command-Q so you can confirm the result. If the wallpaper didn't update, restart System Settings first, then sign out and back in. This clears cached settings. Make sure the image file is accessible and not in a restricted folder, and verify iCloud sync completed if using photos. If problems persist, check permissions on the image file and reboot. That usually resolves lingering display or cache issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.